Hello everyone, welcome back to FTB Evolutions episode 45, where today I don't know what we're going to be doing because I'm going to be honest with you guys, it has been a hot minute since I played. I had I've got a lot of episodes backlogged and work got really busy and I've just really haven't had the energy to start and record. But we're back. And yeah, so I gotta try and figure out where and what we are. I did watch back my last episode I recorded and I was in the Bumble Zone and trying to figure out how to get royal jelly, but the only way to get that was through the advancements, which is doing all of this, smash and kill 32 spiders, going through all of this stuff all the way through and getting these trades with the queen. It's like 400 for the transgressions of existence. That's great, that is. So it's a case of me doing this something like this off camera because these are going to take so long to do. Also, 1 second. Enough space. Enough space. Interesting. To rectify that. Also, there's been an update to the pack, which, from what I read on the quest log, is immersive engineering now. Yes. An immersive engineering quest line. So that's good. We've also got a few quests that are completed I didn't know about, or have been completed due to the update of the pack. So where are they? What's coming here? There it is. Weaken Supremium Gear, and then Faragur's Talisman. Be nice if we could get. I like how they've added. I like how they've added like locks to the things now. More Faragurs. That one. So, put stuff away. Don't need that away. Put our book in our enchanting library. So, like I said, it's been a while since I've recorded. Please don't mind. It just looked offline. So obviously nothing has been running, nothing has been doing. So we should just look into the next part of the pyramid, which would be quest somewhere. Because it's a random quest. Is there another one? Any more? No. Elytra booster. And a villager. So what we should do is look into realistically the next part of the pyramid that we can potentially get. This is the one that we needed to get into Pagan Bless and into occultism. This is the one that needed, that needed the royal jelly, which we'll hold off on for now. So Evolutionary Arcanum, Vestus Forge, let's clear all this off, and what we'll do is we'll look at we can get without diving too deep into something. So that's easy enough to get. They're easy enough to get. They're easy. I say easy to get, but they're gonna take some work. And I gotta get into. Gotta go into this stuff from no-tech again. Not a problem. High setting biodiesel. Reprocessed fissile fragment, which requires us to get into. Yeah, this requires us to get a nuclear reactor, the reactor from mechanism, which I think we should do sooner rather than later because it takes a lot of work, and it's gonna be. I think we need antimatter for some things as well. I'm pretty sure I've seen antimatter somewhere for something. Pretty sure. This guy's ingots. That's simple enough. Oh yeah, I was working on these ultra dense balls and everything. The iridium plate I can get from that. The lead plate I can get from that. Tungsten plate I can get from that as well. But do I have the tungsten? I do have tungsten. This arc furnace. So let's build an arc furnace. We're gonna need the arc furnace for cooking that up anyway. So we ain't doing that down here. We're gonna do that down. I say down in here. But the arc furnace. Oh, my wither's gone. Wither disappeared. I said there's plenty of gas in it. Oh, we can put the arc furnace up here. So for the arc furnace, we're gonna need to go to immersive. So what we could do is probably autocraft a lot of this stuff because we're gonna need it. I'm gonna pull up a list of items online a moment. Let me go in and out of this immersive. Engineering, arc furnace. I just want a list of the stuff. Right. 27 blast bricks. 14. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back in here and let's any pattern available. Okay, so we need reinforced blast bricks. Okay, which requires, I believe, we've got blast bricks. Anyway, 27. I know you need 27. That's fine. Steel sheet metal. Steel sheet metal slabs to be precise. Requires steel sheets. Oh. Okay. We need light engineering blocks. Okay. these, then that. Components. Then we need steel sheet metal itself, which there. Blocks of steel scaffolding. Okay. Steel rods. Heavy engineering blocks. That. Cauldron. Crafty cauldron. Actually, we need the one anyway. You know what? Never mind. And redstone engineer. Stone engineer. Yes, I know it's someday. Yeah, at some point we're gonna need more to craft them up anyway, so I think that wasn't it? Yeah. All of these go in there. You okay, so if I want these then, so blast bricks, let's do that as well. So I can craft these. I'm not sure if we got slime. If we got plenty of slime anyway, so let's do these a different way. Okay. And pop these down. Oh. So I need those reinforced blast bricks, and I need them. Don't need remember last search on blast bricks. 27 of them. Sheet metal slabs. 15 of them. Everything down here should be, this should be running now. Yeah. Okay, so there doesn't seem to be any sort of way to tick accelerate this. Which is interesting. So that's just crafting that. So I will be right back once I've got all the crafting for this done. Right, we are back. And quest complete. Welcome to Mercer Engineering. I got the hammer. So I got all the bits and pieces I need for it, and we are gonna build it up here. So going by this assembly onto interwebs here. First we need the sheet metal slabs, sheet metal itself, blocks, heavy engineering, cauldron. Okay, we got sheet metal blocks, like heavy engineering there, steel blocks there, slabs go like so, cauldron there, scaffold there, and X, redstone there, and Steel, steel. So, and we need that. The thing is, when you access the back, not entirely sure. Sheet metal, you and you. Steel and steel. 4 rows of this. You. Last 9 of these. And on top we need you. All I have to do is hit it with a hammer. And that's that. Okay. This is gonna I think this is only one of immersive things that have an actual UI. So I'm just gonna grab a bunch of that tongue. No, actually, we need the carbon rods, don't we? What are they called? That's it. Graphite electrodes. Which I need to do with. If I can make that carbon ingot, that'd be great. I don't know if I got that. I might actually have found them. Prints, projectiles, components. I haven't, so I need to find them. I need to go find though I need to find a village. Because normally in a village right there. I'm going. Let's head up to that village real quick. Oh, what was my engine keybinds? Category iron jetpack. I can't remember. Alright, let's just change them. Keybinds category. Iron jetpacks. Increase throttle. Hey, was that? That decreases throttle. Hold on, was there? Ah. Found it. There's a village here. Here. This is an immersive one. Nothing in this one. Speed, I'm not used to it. Maybe a slight cut in this episode because I pressed the wrong button. Fair bit of distance. Do need to explore this at some point. Right, I don't know if this one will have looking. Get out the door. What's that? That's interesting. Oh, I've been here. I've been in this one. It went boom. Oh, there's a temple. It also went boom by the looks of it. So I need to find a village for those blueprints. Because I can't use that arc for it without it. Let me just level in the tongue stick forever. Come on. Might have been another village somewhere. So I'm just gonna teleport it quicker. I think that these villages, I don't think are gonna have what I need. Because they don't have immersive buildings in them. It's a normal vanilla village I need. Kill a chicken. You would have thought with all the exploring I'd already done, all the villages and everything I'd been to, I would have found these blueprint already. So have a look. Right. Okay, we don't need to. Go home. We're gonna get him to the quests. So, Poke Oven, treated wood, and then the bench. So, pretty sure I got coke oven in here. Some treated wood. Okay. And I got observer coke oven as well. Yeah. Hammer. Okay. That's that. Okay. Bucket of creosote, which pretty sure I got things of creosote in. Thanks. I thought, did I use all my creosote? I must. Okay. Of course, I used up all my creosote. Okay. Coal, please. Really? Even a tech acceleratable, even though that's not a word. Ah, that's painful. I swear I had creosote. I swear I had creosote in tanks. I must have used to make all that treated wood that I have, because that's a lot of treated wood I've got. Taking that. And oh no, I need. Among the traders that I as genius can be made by placing an engineer's craft near a villager. Right. Okay. Crafting. Engineers. Crafting table. There. When are they going to unify this? And I got a villager's reward just now, so what I'm going to do is get fences. I'm going to pop that there. Machinist. Okay, so I need some emeralds. Do I really need to trade him like a million? That's fine. Water wheels, fine to always have. I've got emeralds for days anyway, so bloody emeralds. There it is. Rock softening acid. Okay. Let's look at the electrodes. Right. Hop graphite. So how does one make this hop graphite then? Hop graphite is made by what? By how? Hop graphite dust. Right, so I need a squeezer. Guess with the coke dust, which I can get from crushing it. Okay. That's fine. So the squeezer is going to require some scaffolding. I need 6 of them. Steel scaffolding, wooden barrels. Four of these. Four wooden barrels, steel fence. Of, which is craft I need. Fluid pipes. Second. A piston. Redstone engineering block. Two light engineering blocks. There. Need to make that those pipes. There. There's 2. Okay. So on this side, then we'll make the squeezer. So, made this thing together is we go pipe, engineering block, scaffold, 4, and then we do engineering block, redstone engineering block, light engineering block, barrel, piston, hammer, where do I hammer this? Am I missing something? I don't think I am. I always seem to have a problem with bloody immersive engineering sometimes. So if we do the other way around then, so we go engineering block, 2, barrels, engineering block, redstone block, Why you know? I hate the structure. I absolutely hate the structure. Apparently the piston needs to be facing downwards. Okay. All that we're doing. Yeah. And that's not even where it needs to be. Idiot. Okay. Like, come on. Click on the wooden barrel. Oh, that was an accident. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll fix this floor and then I'll have a look in the book as well and try and figure this out. Right, this is the correct way according to the book. And it works straight away. That's weird. That's weird. Anyway, so what we're going to want to do is we're going to get some coal coke. I'm going to want to crush this down. Okay. Another right stick back. Finally, there's a quest for this now, for suction sticks. So, crusher. Yep. Crusher light down to go to. Gonna need some power for these, which comes. So, universal cabling. Also need an ender cell. And ender cells? Take long to craft. Go. Pop this ender cell there. Power. Okay. Magneton. You need power in. I think you need power for behind. should be fine. Just the one. Yeah, you got power. You got power. And I think all I gotta do is just put that first. Is 8. Wow, that was quick. 9. Get cooked now. Okay. I'm pretty sure I can enchant these as well to make them like unbreaking and stuff. Not entirely sure. Top graphite. Isn't it like 4 per rod? Yeah, I need 3. Need some more coke. Get in the way. I haven't played in a while. I'm not used to the speed. In there. Okay, we're doing plenty of predictions. Plenty of those anyway. Right, this. You have this door. Coke. Okay, and cook this again. Back and forth these 2 different bloody top graphite. And that's them. All this to cook up some bleeding tungsten. Holy volume. Holy volume, that was loud. Sorry guys, that was loud. So if I put a chest on the front anyway, can't I? Give me an chest. Put that in there as well, so it's ready. But can I actually enchant it? No, but that was a quest. Bit of a crusher. Lightning rod. These are really good actually. Okay, so this tungsten then can now get turned into plates. And we should be able to make. Then I need uses for this. I need 4 of these, so I need that stack of tungsten. The quantum computer core we make. Which I don't think it's actually going to take that long. Crafting up all these is what's taking the time. More faster. Here goes the rubber. Awesome. Everything's doing what it should be doing. Making them. Computer core says it says 17 seconds. But it's not taking. Hey, it could actually be 17 seconds. Because it's not like it's made all the processes already. Crafting up all the storage cells is what's taking time. So I should make in the last 2 of these. That's them. Is lead and iridium plates. Lead. Excellent. That done. Nice. What's the computer core done? I remember how long that took in the first time we made it? How many episodes it was going while I was crafting. Now we're just waiting on the plates to finish up. Tungsten plates. There's this. 4 uses for this. I need how many singularities was there? 4 singularities. I need cryo fluid, which is made. Oh, which is what we were working on with the modern industrialization, wasn't it? That's why we were taking up with that. Get the cryo fluid. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to end today's episode here, where we now have what we got, still amounts of tungsten. We'll come back to this on the industrialization. That's what we were doing, I think, at one point, and try and work our way up to some cryo fluid, because we're going to need it to carry on for us to make the ultimate singularity, which isn't used for anything other than the crystal. So yeah, we're going to work on cryo fluid next episode, hopefully, or the next couple of episodes. There's argon and helium. That bad. Liquid air. Pressurizer with an air in. Pressurizer requires really high-end stuff, but aluminium cable. yeah, there's going to be. I foresee a lot of crafting and stuff in our future. So until next time, guys. As always, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. Sorry for the little split in between. I pressed the wrong button and ended recording. Start recording immediately. And I will speak to you next time. Bye.